share this asana with you today. This is on a special request by my nephew who is super fit. He's really strong and he's got fantastic muscles, but he also wants to improve his flexibility, which I think is fantastic because it is important. While you build your muscles, you should also improve your flexibility. So I'm starting with quite an intense asana, Prasarita Padottanasana, which is the forward fold with the legs wide. So we will start with that. Do only as much as you can. Don't force yourself to do more than your body allows you to do, okay? So we will start by taking our feet as wide apart as we can. It has to be comfortable. Don't feel any strain anywhere. Just take it wide enough for it to be comfortable. Place your palms on your joint here, this hip joint. Inhale as you lengthen your spine. Exhale as you fold forward. If this is all you can do, that's absolutely fine. Build it gradually. From here, again, I'm going to inhale and I'm going to lengthen my spine. And as I exhale, I'm going to bend forward. Now, I'm going to place my palms on the floor with my fingers open and press my palms. And I'm going to move my feet apart a little more. So this is going to help me open up those hip joints. Again, I'm going to inhale and I'm going to walk my hand forward slightly, but I'm going to try and push my head towards the floor. If this is all one can do, that's fine. Do only what your body allows you. If you can't go down this low and you can just do this, that is also fine. But with every exhalation, try to deepen your pose. So I'm going to inhale again, and as I exhale, I'm going to go down a little more. And again, as I go down, I'm moving my feet apart, so I'm opening my hips, but please do take care that you don't slip, okay? Now again, I'm going to inhale. This time I'm placing my elbow down on the floor, both hands, and then I'm going to try and go down some more. And as you can see, I place my head on the floor, and I'm placing my elbows up, and I'm going to try and hold this for a few breaths. If you have high blood pressure, hypertension, then this is not for you, because you don't want to be bringing your head down on the floor and holding it for so long. Again, so you can feel the stretch in your hamstrings, your inner thigh, you can feel your hips opening. And inhale as you raise yourself, pushing yourself up with your palms. Bring your palms forward. Now walk your legs in. So I'm going to walk my right leg in a little. Then I'm going to walk my left leg in a little again. Walk my right leg, walk my left leg. Turn my feet up, bend my knees. And then I'm gradually going to come up, placing my palms on my thighs. Slowly coming up so that I don't injure my back. And there we go. So that is Prasarita Padottanasana. Now that we've given it an intense stretch, I think we should go into the child's pose. So you can just go down. Again, I like to place my feet on either side of the mat. And I'm going to push myself slowly down on the floor. Place my palms at the back and relax. And I shall see you in my next video. Please do take care. Please consult your physician. Listen to your body. Namaste.